My name is Chris from Canada. I was diagnosed with hernia in January back in Canada. It was probably caused by lifting too much in the gym. So they did a CT scan. They found out that I had an umbilical hernia right about here. And at the time I was already planning on doing some traveling in Asia. And the doctors in Canada said that it would probably take at least 3 to 4 months to get surgery. And I didn't want to have to put off my travels, put off my gym. So I decided to just get it done here in Taipei. I was researching online and I found the Taipei Hernia Center. James from the Taipei Hernia Center got back to me really quickly. It seemed like a really professional, safe place to get it done. So as soon as I landed in Taipei, I had a first appointment. They did the pre-op blood work and everything. Everything went well. So I was able to do the surgery the following week. So I guess it was about 7 to 10 days after I had the surgery done. On the day of the surgery, I met the surgeon, I met James inside the clinic. They took me down to the operating room, prepared me for the surgery. All the nurses and everything were very friendly. They even provided warm blankets to keep you warm because it gets a bit cold down there. They gave me the IV. It was pretty painless. And then I guess a few hours had passed, 2 hours had passed or something. And I woke up in the recovery room. And the doctor had mentioned that not only did I have one hernia, I actually had 2 hernias. And the doctor was able to fix them all, which was fantastic. I would not want to have to do hernia surgery again in a few months. So the recovery after the surgery has been pretty quick. I rested at home for a few days, and then I think the surgery was on Tuesday. By Friday, I was pretty much able to walk around outside again very normally. Within a week, there was not really any discomfort or anything anymore. There was still a little bit of tightness, but that was it. Today, I'm about 2.5 weeks post-surgery, and everything is fantastic. There's no tightness, there's no pain or discomfort when I walk. And I'm hoping to get back to the gym and working out probably next week. So all in all, I'm really happy with how everything has gone, and I'm totally happy to recommend the Taipei Hernia Center to anybody else that's got a hernia.